Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. I hope you are all doing good. In this series, we were uploading various videos about AWS series. So few videos we have already uploaded, and today we are going to discuss about billing and cost management console. So basically this console or this uh, activities will be managed by the management person or the admin who's going to manage this account. So it may be vary from companies to companies. Okay. So um, for example, if we have a single account will be managed by one admin to be what is the cost and according to the respective services, and they will be managing. And in case of any assistance or in case of any alert needs to be triggered, they can set up accordingly so that this will be get triggered on the timely basis in case of budget has been utilized more than that what they defined. Okay, so in case of multiple account, they will be managed by in a AWS organization. So there are one admin account will be controlled by all other respective accounts. They will be managed with respect to tags for against with their respective resources. Accordingly, they will capture all the um, details or all the prices, and they can verify. So each account, how much amount or how much budget or how much bills has been raised according to that. So this would be varies as I told you for the company to company. So with the said, so maybe we can understand about what is this particular console page about. So what is mainly focused on? So how are we going to manage this cost and billing management? Okay. So as I understand, maybe people not much interested on theory part, as I know. So in case of if you want to go for any kind of organization, obviously they will be preferring for most and hands-on based workshop or hands-on based skills. So I would be prefer, or maybe I am going to I am planning to do kind of more hands-on based rather than go for more theory based focused, since I don't see that much views or maybe uh, that much interested on the theory part. So what we will do, so in future maybe we can try to bring those or try to bring more projects for each and every use cases or each and every scenarios. We will discuss for the services which we have already defined or which we have already there in AWS the provider services. So we can go ahead and from simple to medium or medium to advanced, so that people will can go ahead and do kind of hands-on based uh, exercise or hands-on based works, so that it will be very useful for their interview or maybe useful for their career growth or for their day-to-day activities. So henceforth we'll try to build those kind of projects so that I would think like, so this is how we can grow further, or maybe it will be gets value added to the audience. So in case if you like, if you also think like which will be the similar thoughts, please comment with that yes. In case if you have any suggestion from your end, also please comment with that, so that we will take further accordingly. Based on that your views, maybe we can um, prepare for the videos according to that. We will go ahead. So please comment that so that we can go ahead accordingly. Okay. So let's view some overall or maybe for overview about this management console. So I hope this is not much used anyhow, since in case if you want to view for there, or in case if you want to view the for your current budget or current price, or is how much amount which you have uh, or you have used so far for that particular month. So you can go ahead and verify from here. So you can access this console or maybe access this page by go here, click on here, or you can search it from here. Billing, so billing and cost management, or you can go ahead even for if you visited recently, it will be there here. Or you can go here, right click here, you will see here under this your account name, you can have billing and cost management. So these are the way you can go ahead and access it. So once you access, okay, so it will go like this, the same page only, both the things. So now you can see for my case, this is how this as part of this month cost. This is for month date, month month to date cost. So this is for the time period. So 1st April to 4th. This is the forecast. So which I will be getting. So this is for the last month total cost. Okay. So this is how this would be there. So can you can also go ahead and verify. So accordingly, you can see your so amount or maybe the how much you have utilized with respect to each services. Okay, so you can see here this would be cost breakdown. So you can see what are the services used for what purpose and how much it is used. Okay, so this is how you can see in the left hand side. You can go ahead and see for these are the things. So you can go ahead and see for each and every uh, uh, categories, right? So under this home, we have bills category we have. So when I click this, you can see that the bill which you have used. Okay, summary, everything would be there. Also, you see if you want to download it, you can download it. If you want print, you can do that. And you can see that billing period also. So each and every month will be saved. And what are the things you have been used, everything will be available here. Okay. So the payments, okay, so what the payment history which everything will be available here. So this how you can see for your payment history. And in case if you have any credits, okay, for example, so for example, if you attend for any kind of workshop or maybe any kind of AWS provided any kind of after survey you would be getting for any kind of credit. So this credit will be you have to get those credit and you need to claim those credit and this will get added here. Okay, so I can see here. So if you want to redeem or if you want to claim that credit, so you can click here and give the promotion code, whatever the promotion code which you have get it from the AWS vendor or maybe AWS team. So you can go give that promotion code and get it from here. Okay, so this is how it will be there. Once you have redeemed that credit, so this will get added. So from there, what you will do, you have to use those credit or you have to utilize those credit whenever you are going to use their services. This will get automatically detected from each and every month. Okay, with the respective services which you are going to use. So this is the so some of the things, and if you want to see Cost Explorer, okay, you can go ahead and see as well. What is the total cost and what is the average monthly cost, everything. So you can see what is the data transfer EC2. These are the services which will be used as part of that. Okay, and the other the one important things I would like to update. I would like to uh, share it here. So these are the properties or these are the categories will be available. Yeah, maybe you can go ahead and explore these things. Sorry, as I told you, you see here for budget, right? So in case if you want to set up your budget for, I want to, I should not exceed for $10 each and every month. Okay. So in this case, what you are going to do, you have to create a budget. Okay, so which I have already created one budget. If you see here, this is my budget which I created. So similarly, you can also go ahead and create a new budget according to your uh, usage. So see here, you can click on this create budget and see here. These are the details. Okay, you want to set up a budget. Okay, then you fill these details. Also, once you have filled this, it should be monthly cost base. Okay, so So you see here, if you want to use the template, you can use that, or if you want to do customized, you can use the customized version. Okay. Then most recommended, use budget. Then you can click on this. Okay. So the detail which you have, okay. So how much month, for example? So how much month, how much amount you want to use? For example, you can fill the budget name. See, this is for budget recurring. So detail budget name you have to fill. For example, my budget, or maybe my account budget, and this is for monthly. You select this recurring budget because every month you're going to use that. So okay, so amount, which amount you want to use? For example, I don't want to exceed for $5. Okay, so or $10. Accordingly, you have to fill that. Then you can go for next. Okay, so review and below try again. Something you want to, okay, budget name. My budget, my account budget. Okay, so you just update it. Okay, once you have done, alert if you want to do, you can create an alert. Okay, so add an alert threshold. So alert one, if you want to do that, you can alert it. For example, if it is 80%, you can you can give this. If this the budget which you are creating, right, this will get create 80% or reach 80%. This will get alerted via email. So you have to provide your email. For example, which email you want to do, you can do that. And for example, uh, something you have to give your valid email IDs. Invalid email and valid. Okay. Email.com. So give valid email address. Something like that. 1 second. It is not. Uh, okay. Now updated with valid email address. So next alert also updated. Then you have to go ahead and review that and submit your alert. Okay. So once you review and once you get submitted with this, so that what will happen every month in case you have to see any of this budget will or this detail will be captured each and every time. So what it will happen, it will review accordingly. This will get triggered in case the budgeted amount cross the threshold. Okay, so this will be very more helpful when you are doing for any works or maybe any kind of project or any kind of hands-on work or using for the services daily basis or maybe in the day-to-day life, okay, in the day-to-day activity. So this is how some of the concept I would like to update with this video. So I hope you can also go through some of the points which will be available just to go through that. But mostly, so this would be more than enough in order to understand or maybe in order to utilize for that particular management or maybe particular building cost and building management. Also, you can go through that cost explorer and for the expectation. So other so how much explorer maybe in case if you want to use that, what is your budget, all those stuff. So you can go ahead and understand. Also, we have a lot of documentation which is available in the AWS website or maybe in the AWS documentation itself. In case if you want to understand more about that, you can go ahead and explore it. So I hope this video is helpful. And in case you are the new to that maybe in case if you are new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe for this kind of more videos. Also, as I told you, so I would be maybe as we plan, so planning to do more an hands-on based workshop. So what I am planning, so let's figure out, or maybe let's uh, plan for that hands-on based real-time project based. So we can discuss about more on hands-on based rather than go for the theory based. So since I understood that there are lot of theory parts which will be available, also even for the there are many documentation which will be provided. But when we talk about the answer based or project based, but this would be more helpful, I would see. So in case you also would like, you also prefer, or maybe in case you also like the same, so do comment on this. Like yes, maybe I would prefer for more hands-on based. So please comment that so that we will take it further. So those who are having for more on hands-on based, please comment that yes, like yes, we need more hands-on based activity or hands-on based video, something like that, so that we can go ahead and plan, prepare accordingly. We will discuss more on that in future videos. So I hope uh, this video is helpful. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.